I am going to show you how to make my favorite pie crust. It's grain-free and only has 3 ingredients, and you do not have to be a baker to be able to do this. I am not a baker. What I love about a grain-free crust that doesn't have any refined sugar is that when you're eating dessert, you will feel light afterwards. You're not gonna have that coma feeling that you get often when you're eating pie or other cakes. So let me show you how we're gonna make it. First, we're gonna start off with pecans. We're using 3 cups of pecans, and you just put them in your food processor. And then we're gonna add about 10 to 12 dates. So the dates come with pits, so you just have to open up the date like this with your fingers and take out the pit. Super easy. And then we're gonna add our dates. And we're also gonna add 7 tablespoons of butter. Now, if you do not eat dairy, or if you're vegan, or if you just prefer not to have butter, you can use coconut oil. But just know you will need less coconut oil than butter. So probably about 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. And then we are just going to mix this up. I'm gonna use this the pulse button going on and off so I get everything ground up similarly. So when the noise quiets and you can see that your crust in here begins to stick together, see how this will stick together? You're done. How easy is that? So then you're just going to begin to put it into your pie, and you just scrunch it down into your pie plate until you have a full crust. You also might want to taste it. This is a delicious snack. It almost tastes like a yummy granola bar. And you just keep going around until you have finished your pie. You can have lots of fun with this pie crust. You can use it with my pumpkin pie, which I use fresh pumpkin. I use it for my raw lemon cream pie. You can use it for a chocolate pie. Have fun with it, enjoy it, and eat it in good health.